Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use AI to create sales funnels from customer data. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by gathering your lead data in a simple spreadsheet with columns like name, email, lead source, and last interaction. Once your data is ready, copy a sample of it into ChatGPT and ask something like, analyze this lead data and suggest sales funnel stages with conversion priorities. The AI will break down your leads into stages such as awareness, consideration, and decision. You can also ask ChatGPT to create a nurture flow. For example, generate an email sequence to nurture leads into the consideration stage. This will give you a ready-made plan to engage your leads with the right content at each step. If you want a quick overview, ask the AI to summarize the top conversion opportunities from your data, helping you focus on the high potential leads. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.